Hey everybody, Linus here, and today we're going deep on a machine that's got the tech world buzzing, the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch with the M1 Max chip. This isn't just a laptop, it's a statement, a bold declaration that Apple is not just in the game but aiming to dominate it. Apple's saying they're back on top of the performance game and they're coming for creators, professionals, and anyone who demands the absolute best. Whether you're editing 8K videos, designing complex graphics, or running intensive simulations, this machine is built to handle it all. For years, people have been saying Apple lost their edge, that they were more about fashion than function. Critics argued that the brand had become more about aesthetics than actual performance. Well, this MacBook Pro throws those claims right out the window. It's a powerhouse that redefines what a laptop can do. It's packing enough power to make a desktop PC sweat, yet it's still thin enough to take on the go. Imagine having desktop-level performance in a portable form factor. We're gonna break down everything that makes this machine special, from the insanely powerful M1 Max chip to the gorgeous Liquid Retina XDR display. We'll dive into the specs, the real-world performance, and why this laptop is a game-changer. So buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what the hype is all about, you won't want to miss this. First impressions matter, and let me tell you, this MacBook Pro makes one heck of an entrance. It's crafted from thick, sturdy aluminum, the kind that feels like it could survive an apocalypse. You pick it up and you instantly know this is a premium piece of hardware. No flex, no creaks, just pure, unadulterated quality. Apple's kept things classy with the color options, offering the MacBook Pro in classic silver and sleek space gray. They know their audience. These are colors that scream professional without being boring. And let's not forget the return of MagSafe, that satisfying magnetic click when you connect the charger. It's back, baby. No more sending your laptop flying across the room because someone tripped over the power cord. Alright, let's talk about the star of the show, the M1 Max chip. This thing is an absolute monster, packing a 10-core CPU with 8 performance cores and 2 efficiency cores. Trust me, those cores are not here to mess around. But wait, there's more. The M1 Max also boasts a mind-blowing 32-core GPU and a dedicated 16-core neural engine. This isn't just a chip, it's a supercomputer crammed into a laptop chassis. We're talking about editing multiple streams of 8K video simultaneously, running complex 3D simulations without breaking a sweat, and compiling code faster than you can say MacBook Pro. This chip laughs in the face of demanding tasks. It's built for creators, by creators, or at least by Apple's incredibly talented engineers. Now let's feast our eyes on this beauty. The MacBook Pro's display is truly something to behold. The 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is, in a word, breathtaking. It's not just a screen, it's a window into a world of vibrant colors and stunning detail. With a resolution of 3456 by 2234 and a pixel density of 254 pixels per inch, every single detail is rendered with incredible sharpness and clarity. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, the visual experience is unparalleled. But it's not just about the resolution, it's about the experience. The way the screen responds to your touch, the way it makes everything look so real, it's like having a mini cinema right in front of you. Apple's promotion technology kicks the refresh rate up to a buttery smooth 120 Hz, making scrolling through web pages and animations feel incredibly fluid. It's a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time in front of their screen. And the colors? Oh man, the colors. They are so vivid and lifelike that you might forget you're looking at a screen. It's perfect for creative professionals who need accurate color representation. This display boasts a sustained brightness of 1000 nits, and can even hit a peak brightness of 1600 nits, making HDR content truly pop. Whether you're in a bright room or outside, the screen remains perfectly visible. Plus, with the P3 wide color gamut and True Tone technology, you're looking at colors that are as accurate as they are vibrant. This means that no matter what you're working on, you can trust that the colors you see are true to life. Okay, let's talk battery life. It's one of the most crucial aspects when choosing a laptop, especially for those who are always on the go. Apple claims up to 21 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is quite impressive and can be a game changer for many users, which, let's be honest, sounds a little too good to be true. Many of us have been let down by battery life claims before. But here's the thing, it's actually not that far off. Apple has really stepped up their game with this one. In our testing, we consistently got a full day's work done on a single charge with lighter tasks like browsing, document editing, and streaming. This means you can leave your charger at home and still get through your day. Even with more demanding workloads like video editing and 3D rendering, which are known to drain batteries quickly, the MacBook Pro still managed to chug along for a respectable 6 to 8 hours. This is quite impressive and ensures you can handle intensive tasks without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. Now let's talk ports. You get 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which are incredibly versatile and support a wide range of peripherals, but some folks might find themselves wishing for a few more options. It's always nice to have more connectivity. Thankfully, you also get a dedicated HDMI 2.0 port, which is perfect for connecting to external displays without needing an adapter, an SD card reader, hallelujah, which is a blessing for photographers and videographers who need to transfer files quickly and efficiently, and a headphone jack for all you audiophiles out there. This ensures you can enjoy high-quality audio with